Again, another problem we encountered, reported problem encountered during the EDA 2024-2025 for the second quarter. Okay, the teacher reported to me that after serving the examinations, ang exam nga yang gi-serve is wala niya per sa ato ang edit test module. Okay, i-play na ko ang video, video siya. Okay, so balik na to gamay ang video para mas klaro. Okay, after setting all and then save, okay, mo na yung pop-up. So, na-pop-up. Sorry for the video. Video blurred siya kay sa messenger man god, no? Ang pop-up niya is the examination is being served with the link, but the problem is wala siya ning appear sa atong video. So, after click OK, so, kaning niya dari, supposedly, na siya, kana na mo gawas nga examination nga na-serve. No, but the problem is wala siya kanang na ang wala siya kanang na ang ni-appear diha. Okay? So, ato lang siyang gamay i-atras ang kuan, ang kanang na ang video. So, ato lang taon dari, kini nga side kini bitawon dari sa taas, di nga maklaro siya, but these are the test basic information. Basic information lang niya. Well, actually, it has nothing to do with kanang serving. Ang iyang trabaho ana is for filtering only. Kung siya may mag-filter, unsay mo gawas dari ani ni ang kaning niya dari nga part ani atong table. Yes, for example, kini nga settings niya, I just don't know unsa ni nga settings, wala kay ko di kay nako maklaro, pero I am quite much sure nga school year nang taas, no? 2024-2025. So, ang sabot ana, kung nakaset na siya 2024-2025, then all the examinations being served during that school year, i-display na niya dire. Okay? Then, kaning sunod ani, I think this is grade level. So, kung inutakan mo na the grade, say for example, grade 11 ra pud tanan ang naka-serve diha. So, meaning katong mga gipang serve niyo nga grade level is grade 1, di naman siya magawas diha. Grade 11 na gyud magawas. Okay, now, kung kani niya sa last, butangan pa jud atong quarter 2. So, quarter 2 ra jud pud tanan ang magawas diha. Wala na siya kana na ang quarter 1 or quarter. Grade 11 nga quarter 1 or any quarters. Quarter 2 lang jud siya. Okay? So, for filtering lang. Okay, now, sir, asa na itadapitan may mag-set dahil sa atong grade level o sa ato ang quarter. Okay, by the way, kini nga information, kini ang grade level and quarter, dala na siya sa ato ang exam file nga ato ang giserve, no? So, for example, I will be showing you my edit test module. I have here this one. So as you can see, wala pa yung naka-serve sa ako, ano? So, kanina ang grade level here and quarter is just only for filtering nyo kaning test basic information. So, if we're going to add the test, say for example, kanibutangan ako na siya o grade, say for example, grade 5 and then quarter 2, no? So, supposedly, I will be serving grade 5 and quarter 2 nga, quarter. Then, click add test, and after that, just type your LRN 3672, and then click on search. Okay, and then the information quarter is you can see na quarter dari, and we have also grade level, and also the subject is kanang na ang attached na or embed with this examination file. So we are going to add an examination file. So for example, this one, Earth and Life Science quarter 2 EDAT. We don't know what subject is, what grade level is that. Pero naka-embed na siya. We are going to click open. Automatic, iyan na lang siyang ibutang diha ang quarter, which is quarter 2. And then grade level, ang nakabutang dari is grade none. Actually, senior high school mo ko to siya. Wala may number nga senior high school. Grade 11 or grade 12. Pero nakaset siya as SHS. So, wala na. None na niya ibutang diha. And then, select na to ang monograde. The grade type na is monograde, and the section is for example A, and then I will be uploading student list template, and then click on save, and it will say nga examination is being online, no? It's being served successfully. This is an indication nga naka-serve successful, no? If we are going to click OK, wala tayong makita ang dari. It's because kanang na ang sayop mga itong ibutang dari nga grade level. No, as you can see, ang atong grade level is kanang na ang grade 5 and then it should be senior high school. So maybe mo na bikil, mo na sayop siguro sa inyo ha, or kaninyang quarterback ha. So much better ang atong settings ato lang siyang gibutangan og kanang select. Okay, so kasi makita na nato nala day naka-serve na siya. Nakita na siya. So again, the purpose of this test basic information is for filtering. Kung unsay mo gawas dari. So it has nothing to do with the serving. Ang iha lang na kanang school year, So whatever school year ang imo importante ha, ining add test makita nato ang school year dan 2024-2025, no? But kanin yang duha ka buok grade level o quarter for filtering na siya, no? Okay? So I hope you understand on this part kanin niya. Okay? Kanin nga part kaning upload school information before nag-function kini siya pero karon akong gi-load jud ako ang kanang information sa atong mga schools sa atong schools division of Zamboanga del Norte. So no need na ta nga mag-upload og schools information, just directly that lang ta and then search for your school ID. Say for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 124428 and then click on search and then makita na nato ang school data, no? So kulang siya school size, ato lang siyang i-set kung saan school size and kung saan yung geographical location, no? Okay, so kung naalang siya, and I hope you understand now the concepts here in serving examinations. Okay?